Here I have KIANO Elegance 4.0 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device, and also let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern or a password protection on this phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by holding a power key just to switch off your device. So let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: the power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding power key and volume down. Release all keys as soon as KIANO logo pops up in front of you. And as you can see, the Android recovery just pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to wipe data factory reset and press power key to choose it. Then choose yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is erasing all personal stuff, personal data, customized settings, installed apps, and also of course all passwords and patterns from your device. So let's wait until the Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen. And right now all you have to do is simply press power key in order to reboot system now. So let me do it, and the KIANO is restarting and rebooting. Do not interrupt when the process is running. This first rebooting after operation after the hard reset may take a little bit longer than usual one, so let's just wait until everything will be completed. Excellent, and as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. As you can also see, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.